since 1976. The Sky Cabin, which you are currently riding, was originally built in Switzerland and transported in several sections through the Panama Canal to Knott's Berry Farm, and has been soaring ever since. We would like to now direct your attention to outside your window as we tell you some of the sights you will see. To the south, you will see Hang Time, which takes riders up a 15-story lift hill and suspends them at the top before descending down a 96-degree drop. To the east, you will see many sights within our ghost town, Fiesta Village, and Camp Snoopy areas. That mountain range, for instance, is our Timber Mountain Log Ride. It was the first themed log flume ride when it opened in 1969 and remains to this day one of our most popular attractions. Just beyond those tall pine trees is where you'll be able to set up camp with the Peanuts Gang. Camp Snoopy, which opened in 1983, was the first theme park area that was dedicated to children under 12 years of age. In the distance, you can see an ancient Aztec temple, which is our Jaguar attraction, a family roller coaster that sends passengers on an exciting tour around Fiesta Village, through the loop of Montezuma's Revenge, and around Reflection Lake. Speaking of Montezuma's Revenge, it opened on May 25, 1978, making it Knott's Berry Farm's longest-standing roller coaster. Montezuma's Revenge is an exciting ride that catapults passengers out of the station at 55 miles per hour. After a moment of weightlessness, the train zooms down the tower backwards, goes back through the loop, and passes through the station up a second 112-foot tower, then back down the tower into the station. Just to the north, you'll see Accelerator, a high-speed 1950s themed roller coaster that uses a hydraulic launch system to catapult guests from 0 to 82 miles per hour in 2.3 seconds, up and over a 205-foot hill and a series of hairpin turns, all in under 22 seconds. To the west is the Boardwalk Bay, which features our family coasters, Coast Rider, Pacific Scrambler, and Surfside Gliders, on which riders pilot their own two-person aircraft for a scenic view of the Boardwalk Bay.
What up, Guido? How are you doing? Yeah, we're here. Yeah, we'll be here for a while. Okay, let me know when you're on your way.
I can go text you.
Alright, we'll see you. So you're gonna go get some time, you're gonna come get her.
Let us know when you can find some of the You didn't show up last time.
Truth, you just want to leave when he gets here? Hey, you have just like this little cold spot in your heart. It's like just real ice cold. You got some warm spots, but there is a spot that's really ice cold. It's like a frozen section.
Riders, please do not take my ride. Please no taking on my ride.
They colored all the tracks. But they're doing tests again, so which means I guess they didn't sell it. I'll put Scarlet on that one. It opens up.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just been cleared to land at Knott's Berry Farm's Boardwalk. Please make sure you have collected all luggage and personal belongings you may have brought on board. If you require assistance exiting the Sky Cabin, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have exited. One of our crew members will then be pleased to assist you. On behalf of Knott's Berry Farm and the entire crew, we are looking forward to seeing you on board again in the near future. Have a nice day.
Go really fast.
Welcome back, riders. I hope you enjoyed your ride. Just a reminder that if you're in the ride, to a full and complete stop. Thank you for riding and enjoy the rest of your day at Knott's Berry Farm.
Which way do we get out? Once you go on the spinning cups really fast.